Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Welcome to another exciting episode of Keto Chronicles, Progress, Plateaus, and What I Ate. Week 5. Y'all stick around to the very end because I have a massive amount of good info. So be sure to stay tuned until the end. As always, before I get into my weight, I will tell you what I ate. Saturday, I had the nachos again. If you recall on week 4, kind of had a meltdown and I ordered nachos and I ended up eating the chips along with the chicken and cheese. This time I did it right and I just had the chicken and cheese. Sunday, I did the Taco Bell burritos with the egg life wraps and then did my own sauces. The green sauce was phenomenal. Monday, I didn't take a picture of it, but I had one more of the Taco Bell burritos and then I had made the chicken cordon bleu meatballs. Those things were so good. Tuesday, I woke up and I was rather hungry. So I think by about 9 a.m., I ended up making myself some more of the meatballs. And then I had a little bit left of the lasagna. So I had that. Tuesday night, I just had the meatballs again because they were delicious. You'll notice I tend to stick with things that I really like. And so I had Taco Bell burritos again on Wednesday. I ended up making that twice. So I had 2 burritos for lunch and 2 burritos for dinner. Okay, Thursday, this is kind of where I get into dirty keto territory. I'm kind of falling more in the dirty keto than I am the strict keto, but I'm fine with that. I had tried the Real Good nuggets that I think is whey protein isolate, which is one of those ingredients that are rather iffy. But I had so much to do and I was so stressed about my doctor's visit that I had today. So I was just like, whatever, and I went ahead and made them. And let me tell you, they were okay. I would much prefer my pork rind crusted chicken than these, that's for sure. They were rather dry. They were hard to break off, like just bite off. I mean, it was very weird. I didn't really like them, and especially not for the cost. And the problem was, after I ate about 70% of them, they started to get stuck in my throat. Like I started to feel like I couldn't swallow for some reason. Will I have them again? Yeah, because I paid too much for them. Here's where it gets really bad. I have been craving sweets. I can't get rid of it no matter what tips you get, but I've been dying for some ice cream. And I'll tell you what, Ben & Jerry's has called my name quite a few times. So I broke down and ended up going to the store because there's buy one, get one free on keto ice cream. Literally, it says keto. And then I bought some of these high key cookies, which by the way are fantastic. I don't like the cost, but you get what you pay for. So I had the idea of crumbling them up in some ice cream. That was so good. I had 2 servings worth of those. I know I shouldn't have, but I did. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Okay, leave me alone. But I've been having such problems. Sometimes there's a whole lot of stress. There's a whole lot of excuses that I'm giving you where I'm falling more into the dirty keto category. But I'm fine with that if I'm just losing weight. And I'll tell you more about that in a minute. And as far as what I'm eating today, I haven't eaten yet, but yesterday I made my baked chicken drumsticks. I made this video a few years ago and almost every day someone watches it. I'm shocked because of the thumbnail was even very boring, but this recipe is so good. Oh, smells so good. And y'all know me and sauces when I eat chicken. These don't need sauces. That good. Getting on to my weight. Last week I weighed in at 178.6. And as you recall, it was a little bit of a cheat week there, but I knew I was going to do it this week. And sure enough, I did. And I weighed myself this morning and I weighed 176.8. That means 1.8 pounds lost. Almost 2 pounds. That brings my total weight since whenever I started 5 weeks ago from 195.4 to 176.8, a total of 18.6 pounds. On another note, if y'all are new, I've had this channel for a few years, and last year I didn't post anything because I was getting terribly sick. Didn't really know why. January, I was really bad off. Finally found the right doctor, figured out what it was. I weighed 246 pounds. This year, January, it was all due to this medical stuff. So technically, I've lost around 50 pounds. What is that? No, 50. Oh my gosh. That's 70 pounds I've lost since January. But I will say a good portion of that was due to health. Anyway, started getting better, feeling good, started the diet again because I needed to start losing weight, got back on the keto plan. I had a doctor's visit today. He said everything looks great. Your body is functioning just as well as my body is functioning. And that's what the doctor said. He was like, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. And I was like, well, I'm keto. Matter of fact, a few weeks ago, I just had lasagna for 4 days and I just replaced the noodles, and he stopped and he finished it. You mean with turkey slices? Yes. He's like, just keep doing that. It's working. Then, so Monday, I placed myself an order for some jeans and some leggings sort of things. And I just wanted to buy them from Old Navy because they were doing a super sale. I don't know what size pants I am anymore. They came in today. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. They're baggy. Like, I used to be a size like 26, 28. Then when I dropped down before, I was like a size 22 to maybe 20, but I haven't bought anything in forever. These are a size 20. Do you see that? I'm going to have to return them, and I hate returning things. I'm going to have to buy new pants. Y'all, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. Here's a playlist if you want to watch from the very beginning, or if you want to see how I made those burritos, click here. I'll see you guys next time.